What is up there, guys? Welcome to BradleyJohnsonTV channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to fix annoying error bug that you've recently been getting. If you're running on the latest version of your GeForce graphic card, well, you probably realize that you're having errors and crashes from launching up ModPacks. Alright, so let me show you what I mean real quick. We're going to launch up our GeForce. Alright, we're going to go to our drivers. You can tell that it says driver has been updated. I'll zoom in on this. It says 378.49. That's their latest update. Well, what happens when you update to that latest version? Let's say that I want to play on a mod pack, right? This is the mod pack I like using. Let's say we want to play on an awesome mod pack. Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Minecraft right here. And we're going to click play. Say I want to play on this mod pack, for example. Whenever you click on it, this is what's going to end up happening. I'm going to click play. Alright, and then boom, it's going to give me an error code right here, a warning message that the core chicken dot core whatever. It's going to give you an error code just like this. I'll have it down in the description of the error code. It's going to give you this type of error code. But that doesn't matter what type of Minecraft that you launch. You can launch your regular Minecraft with the mods installed and it'll do the exact same thing. Or you can launch another mod pack that will also do the exact same thing. So for example, if I open up this again, we go back and we go to our AT launcher. This is also another Minecraft launcher for mod packs that I like playing. These are two awesome launchers that I use. Let's just say that we also want this type of launcher here. Well, what we're going to do is we're actually going to run a, well, we don't want none of those. We're actually going to run a mod pack. As you can tell, I'm signed in right here. And we're going to clear this out. And we're going to go to ModPacks. Now, I have two mods already installed. Say I want to play to the core. Once again, we get this annoying error message right here that it can't be launched. And once again, it will do this if your Minecraft has Forge in it. Sadly but surely, I don't have mods on my regular Minecraft. I don't believe I do. Let me check real quick. I don't think I have mods for my regular Minecraft itself. Or do I? Well, I don't have mods for my regular Minecraft, but if I did, it would do the exact same thing. As you can tell, I don't have mods for my regular Minecraft, but it would give me the exact same error message as the other two do. And it doesn't matter what launcher you're playing on. So how do we correctly fix this? Well, it's an actual really simple, easy fix. There's two ways you can actually do this. Go to the search icon. This is the first way you could try this. So let's see if this will work. So you're going to go to your Windows 10. You're going to click on the little search icon. Sometimes there will be a search box, but I have mine hidden. Let's go ahead and click on the search icon. And we're going to type in drivers. D-E-V-I-C-E. And then type in manager, which is M-A-N. Well, it should pop up once you get it. As soon as you see driver manager, go ahead and click on it. Alright, once your driver manager actually pops up, once your driver manager actually pops up, what we're looking for on here, on yours, it might be like this. Go ahead and click on this arrow right here where it says your desktop's name. I named mine something retarded. I just named it desktop. Then you're going to want to look for something that says display. Here it is, display. Go ahead and click on the drag arrow down. Don't find computer. You want display, which is usually under your hard drive or your hard disk. So display, we're going to click on the actual graphic card, which it should say the name of your graphics card, which mine's a GTX 970. And we're going to go to properties. Once you go to properties, let me minimize this for you to see this better. When you go to properties, it's going to show your graphics card. Go to drivers. Okay. In drivers, you can see something that says rollback. Well, it tells you what rollback does. It rollbacks to the latest version that it was on, your computer before you updated. I recommend you doing this if yours shows. Go ahead and click that rollback. Let's just say, for example, though, your rollback's completely grayed out. You have a brand spanking new computer. You downloaded the latest update, but your rollback is completely grayed out. You can't click on it. It doesn't give you the option to click on it. It's okay. I had the exact same problem, and it's a simple fix. So it's not allowing you to click on it. It's not working. If you do have it, just click on it and then click yes. Your computer will go to a black screen for a couple minutes, and then it will go back to a regular screen, and it's going to require for you to reset. And this is for both steps. It's going to require for you to reset your computer. Go ahead and reset it, and then, after that, don't do anything else. Come back to my channel. Don't do anything else. Come back to my channel because we ain't done. Come back to my channel, and we're going to do another step when it gets done. Whenever you do the rollback, just, click yes, 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 and then done. Say that your rollback is not working. All right. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to click cancel, and we're going to open up our history, our browser that you like using. Whatever browser you like using, open it. Then you're going to go to www.geforce.com. I'm going to leave this down in the description where you can just click on it. It's going to take you straight to their home page. All right. As soon as you get to the home page, you're going to see something that says drivers. Click on it. Okay, now usually you could do analyze, detect drivers, but sometimes it'll tell you like your Java is not working whenever you do it. If you can, go ahead and click on it, but if it gives you something telling you that your Java is not available, for instance, let's see if mine will do it. Let's see if we can get it done on here, but mine usually tells me that the Java is not being detected, and that's because I have my computer kind of into like a really, really private where nothing can really be able to get any information off my computer as far as anything. Okay, see, it says Java is required. Anyways, you can do that, and if it doesn't show you what your graphics card is, there's other ways you can see your graphics card. Just search it up on YouTube. Alright, so you want to do this manual option. Don't do this automatic crack, because it automatically installs the latest update and you'll be screwed. We're going to go to the manual. Alright. Whenever we're on the manual, we're going to search up our graphics card. Yes, mine's a GeForce. Alright, so we want that. We want to make sure it says the 900 series because mine is part of the 900 series. Okay, so it pops up. See, mine is part of the 900 series. I mean, they got a bunch on here as far as everything else. But you want to make sure you just say 900 series. That means it shows it all. Then you want to select what type of one. Mine's a 970 GX. So the GTX. So we want to go ahead and click that. And then you want to make sure it says Windows 10, not Windows 7. Windows 10, 64-bit, 32-bit, whatever bit that you're running. How do you search what type of bit you're running on? You're gonna go to your Windows icon down here. You're gonna right click. You're just gonna go to System. Now System is gonna appear. I'm gonna have to blur out something. System appears, and then right here where it says 64-bit operation, that's what we want. So mine's a 64-bit, so we're gonna say Windows 10 64-bit. Of course, English. If you're English, go ahead and click on English. If you're Hispanic, you click on Hispanic. Or if you're German, whatever, Russian, whatever. Now right here, you could do recommender or confrontation build. I'm going to show you both ways. So say that you clicked on all. Click search. It's going to search, and then boom, here you go. Do not click on the one that says 2017 as the very first one. So the one that says that it was released on the Thursday of January 24th of 2017. We don't want that one. We don't want that one. That's the newest one that keeps causing problems. We want the one that that was in 2016 for now. Once they release a patch update to fix the problem that it's currently having, and you'll know it's the latest one because it's going to have this. It's going to have this weird symbol. You want to download this one right here. The 2016, Wednesday, December of 2014 of 2016 is the one that we want. But say that you click on recommend and confrontation build. Well, same thing with this one. It's still going to pop up the latest one as the top one. Once again, do not click on the 2017 until they release a newer one that fixes the problem, or unless the mod creator fixes his mod to be compatible with the newer driver update. Okay, so we're going to It doesn't matter which one. Never click on beta. So we're going to go back to all because that's what most of you are going to click on. And we're going to click on the second one. Now, when you get to the second one, it's going to show you everything right here. This is what it's going to be downloading. It's going to be downloading the last version that it had. If you cannot roll back, the last version was 3.76.33 WHQL. That was the last version. All right. So we're going to go ahead and click agree. Just make sure everything's correct here and just click agree. And it's going to immediately start downloading right here. This process might take a while depending on your internet of how long it's going to take. So from this point, I am going to speed up the video as far as it downloads. Okay, so we're at 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so now it's basically done downloading. So we're going to click show file. We want it to see the file. Hello there. I forgot that I installed you because I did a video on you several days ago. So we're going to actually click and drag this out. Not this other guy. We don't want him. Okay, so now you get the latest version. I'm going to go ahead and tell you this. Whenever you do this, before you double click on this, we need to do one critical step. Go to your Windows 10 icon, right click, go to the very top one where it says programs, and we're going to actually find the one that says this, but it's going to say software in it. And I'll show you exactly which one. I'll zoom in on it. Usually it's going to say software. That's the one we want to actually get rid of. We want to get rid of the old software because there is a conflict. When you double click on it, it's going to say, well, you already have our software. So let's go ahead and get rid of their software. So we're going to uninstall their software, and this is what it popped up for me. Are you sure that you want to uninstall the software? Yes, I want to uninstall your old software, and then it's done. Their software is gone. It's not on my computer no more. Go ahead and double click on this file. It's going to give you, do you want to run this? And you're going to click yes. Once again, this is what it popped up for me. You're just click OK. And now it's going to install. Your computer, whenever it starts doing the actual install station, like installing the older drivers, your computer will go into a black screen multiple times. Usually it will go into a black screen maybe 3 to 4 times because I think there's 5 drivers that it installs. It installs the software and then 5 other drivers. Depending on, it's going to go to a black screen. So your computer will blink, flash, black. Don't freak out. Perfectly normal. Same thing with rollback. It will blink black a couple times. Don't worry. It's going to. So here we go. So we might be able to see the actual blackout. So I'm going to click and drag this over. As you can tell, it's installing right now. It's checking the software system. What it's going to do is it's uninstalling right now. It's probably uninstalling all these programs right now. And then it's going to sit there and start installing its other ones. All right, so we're just going to sit here and we're going to wait because it does take a while, and I'm not going to skip this part because I want you to see every critical step of what happens. Now, of course, you have to click agree, so you make sure you read their stuff, their legal crap, so agree. You want to make sure you keep it on recommended for that, and just go ahead, and here we go. Now we started the actual install. Again, it's going to go to a black screen a couple times. Do not freak out when it does. So now it's going to install, and this does take a while. So it's removing the old 3D version. This is what it's going to start doing, and it's going to go to a black screen like that, and just let it completely install. Like I said, it's going to go to a black screen several times. It actually might move my capture card to my other monitor, so if it does, I'll just have to move it back, which it did. It moved it to the other monitor, which is no problem because I could just move it. It's still installing. Oh, go away. It's still installing. I hate when it moves my capture card around, so give me a second. I'm going to move it back to the main monitor. There we go. I hope y'all can see that now. I just moved it back to the main monitor because it moved the window on my main monitor and stuff like that too. So again, it's gonna flash and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually fast forward this part. So Just let it download, let it do everything. I'm gonna let this part fast forward, and I'll see you when we get back. So now since it's done, it says it's finished. We're gonna go ahead and click close. And now whenever it gets done closing, you're pretty much done. It's gonna ask you to reset your computer to be able to actually view it. So what we're going to do is we're gonna it should have downloaded it. Oops. No, go away. Didn't mean to close it. It should have downloaded a new program on your computer. We're gonna actually go to here and we're gonna click on in because it's in the in files. Here it is, new. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and actually launch it. And it's gonna want you to sign in. So if you're not registered, go ahead and sign in. But as you can tell, the latest driver is right there. We're not going to update. We're not updating to that driver. It's gonna ask you to reset your computer. Go ahead and do that process. So I had to reset my computer. So I'll be right back once I get done resetting the computer. Just go ahead and reset it. Once your computer gets done resetting, you'll be able to run the program. So I got to reset my computer right now. So once your computer is done resetting like mine is, it should work. So let's go ahead and see if we're still running the latest version. I just resetted my computer, so I want to make sure that it didn't try to update itself. The way that you can actually check is by going to this bottom icon here and click on it. And if it's got this weird, I'm going to zoom in. If it's got this weird icon, it says there's an update available. So we're not going to do the update. We're just going to open it. We're not going to do the update. We're going to open it and we're going to view to see what type of update it wants me to do. I had to re-sign in. There goes the latest update. We don't want the latest update. We're not updating. So let's check to see if my mods for my Minecraft and stuff like that is going to actually launch and work. So we're going to go ahead and launch our Minecraft, the launcher that I like using. And everything should work from this point on. You shouldn't be running into any more issues as far as the game not wanting to load or anything or crashing. So we're going to go to Minecraft. Remember, in the beginning video, I wasn't able to play none of these mods. It kept crashing. We're going to click play. We're going to actually minimize this too. And it keeps popping up to my other window, so I had to click and drag it and bring it over to the other window. Anyways, we're going to click play. We shouldn't get no more error logs. It should just load up perfectly fine. It shouldn't crash anymore because we did do the rollback. That's the manual way of doing the rollback. If you have the rollback option available, go ahead and click on it. If you don't, do it the way I just showed you. I did a full tutorial. Hope you really enjoyed it. There's not a video out there that shows the full tutorial of how to fix it, and boom, there you go. We used to get the crash, but now we have the game actually launching up. Will the game launch up fully? Probably. You know, I don't know why it always says not responding anytime it's loading up the mods, but it does that for Minecraft. So it is loading up. It's loading up. So we're going to check to make sure it actually works, because let's see if it launches up the game. Let's see if it gives us an error problem whenever the game's fully launched. It shouldn't. It shouldn't. Guys, this is how you fix a problem, and this is with any update. With any type of driver that you're using, just go back to the main website and manually download the driver. So if you're using GeForce, or if you're using what else is out there, AMD, or whoever you're using as your driver. I don't know what type of drivers are all out there, but whatever type of driver that you're using, go back to our website, download back to the older version, just to see what was the latest one, and then go to the next one down. Right now, we want to download the 2016, not 2017. Not until the mod creator updates his mod to put the MC whatever back in there that kept reading error problem. This is a common issue that people kept having. And there's not really many videos showing how to really do a full in-depth tutorial on it. There's a video out there that shows you what you could do as far as rollback, and that's about it. But I'm showing you both ways because I'm just that nice. So as you can tell, we're still waiting for this to load. 5 out of 7. Come on. This has a lot of mods. This is the mod I love playing. I had to back up my save. I had this problem. I've been experiencing this problem for 3 days, guys. This crashing problem. And I sat there and said, wait a minute. I forgot that you can roll back. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this part, so we'll be back. Okay, so it loaded up perfectly fine. As you can tell, the game is running. At first, it wasn't running when I didn't have those mods. If we go to mods, it's got them all enabled. That's great. That's great. Does the game actually work? Create new world. Okay, no one cares. Yep. Where is it? Oh, there it goes. I keep passing it because I'm an idiot. Cheats, sure, why not? Okay. We're just loading it up to see if it actually will really 100% truly work. As you can tell, it's loading terrain. We're also going to test the LT launcher too, or AT launcher. Why do I keep calling it LT launcher? AT launcher. We'll test that one out too, just to show you this 100% did fix the method. It gets rid of that annoying error that we kept having. We don't want no more errors. And that's because the new driver update came out and it's not implanted into the updated mod. And there we go. We officially loaded up perfectly fine. It looks like we loaded up on a sand little island, and we're gonna have a little bit of frame rate issue. There it goes. There we go. So there you go. We loaded up perfectly fine, as you can tell. We're here and the mods are all installed. We have all the mods. Awesome. That's cool. Yep, save and quit and exit off the whole launcher. Now let's go ahead and test our AT launcher too, just to make sure it's working perfectly fine. And this is just me showing you that this does fix the problem. I don't want y'all having no more problems. If you do have any problems, just leave them down in the comments. And if this does really help you, please smash that like button. That lets me know this really helped you. And if you want, you can also leave a comment sitting there saying thank you for showing an in-depth video of how to fix this problem. So basically, we're going to go to our ModPack, and we're going to go ahead and click show this, because we want people to see this as far as if it crashes or anything like that. Let's see if it's going to read an error at any moment. We're going to click play. Is it reading an error? Let's see. Successful. One warning error, and it nope, it's bypassing that error. It bypassed the error. Well, look at that, guys. It legitimately bypassed the error. You even saw it. At first, it was giving it to me. First, it sat there and said it read an error, but it just bypassed it. And see, now it's fixing all the stuff that was giving it errors. See, there's no errors. All errors will be deleted out of the backup folder. This is amazing. Oh, well, we gotta allow this. Yep, allow. It's pretty cool. Look, it's fixing all these mods, updating all these mods, fixing them, deleting errors. This is amazing how by just doing this, it fixes the problem that you're having. That's pretty much at the end of this video, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let this finish doing what it's doing. But if this video really helped you out and helped you fix this problem, please hit that smash that like button. Lets me know. And if you have any future problems, if you're having problems with it and it's still not working, leave it down in the comment. I will make a video showing you how to fix these errors. Until then, I love everybody out there. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I know there's a game we got to finish playing, but guys, I got to redo the game. There you go. We're done. See, it's done. It's successful. I know we got to finish a game. I have to redo the game because my computer, when it got the new Windows 10 update, it decided to fudge up, so I had to reformat the whole computer. But we will be finishing that game. I'm just trying to get back to that point. But actually, let me know if you want me to just start over on the game. Let me know down in the comments. If you haven't seen the gameplay yet, Astroneer is the game I've been playing. If you want me to start over on Astroneer, leave it down in the comments because we did lose our save file on it, sadly but surely. Let me know down in the comments below. If you haven't seen the video, it'll be at the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, if this helped you, please hit that like button. It really helps out, and I love everybody out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.